Do you find yourself hating low quality guns? Are you finally ready to play with the big boys? Then the BY-023 is for you. Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today we're going to review the BY-023 from Double Bell. It's a popular choice among Airsoft players, and today I will be talking about the design and performance and also many more things. The design of this weapon is based on the real gun AK-47. The quality is also very good. All the wooden parts are made of real wood except for the grip, which is made of plastic. The rest of the gun is made of steel and aluminum. The battery is also very easy to take out. You just push a button right here in the back and lift up. Take that off, and there you have the battery. This weapon is also very robust and can withstand a lot. There are places on this weapon where you can hide some extra batteries, like here in the front. You just pull this up, you can take this, and you can put a battery inside here. There's also room for a battery here in the back. You can push this little button, and you have some space in the stock where you can put the battery. Here you have the hop-up. Just pull this back, and then you can change the hop-up system. You also have the selector switch right here, and you have semi, auto, and safe. Here you have the magazine. It's very easy to use, and it has very many styles to reload it. Thanks, Mysterious Helper. This weapon shoots up to 440 FPS. It also has 1.8 joules in power, and you should use 0.25 grams of BBs. Now it's time to test shoot it. As you can see, the accuracy is good. I have only used semi-auto, but I recommend, if you want to play in full auto, you should buy an 11.1 volt battery, because then your gun shoots like an MG42. Just look at it. Just the sound of it may scare the shit out of your opponent, and yeah, you can kill them easily if they have shit in their pants. The gearbox is a version 3, and the battery is a stick type. The connector is small Tamiya. It can easily shoot up to 50 meters. You can buy this gun on Taiwan Gun for about 150 euros, where you also get a high cap magazine that can hold up to 500 BBs. The pros about this gun is that it's very good quality, it's very cheap, and it has a very high rate of fire. The only con I have about this gun is that no battery is included in the set. A tip from me is that you probably should buy some mid-cap magazine, because I personally hate high-cap magazine because you have to roll up the BBs all the time, and I hate that. In conclusion, this gun is very good. It is very good quality, and the fire rate is very high. It's also very easy to use. Yeah, it's a very good gun, very good for the price. In the next video, I will be reviewing the 1911 from Army Armament.